Well, after the Delhi High Court, a divisional bench of Delhi High Court ruled that there should be a status quo maintained on the deal between Reliance Retail and Future Retail. Future Retail has put out a statement in which they have said that the company will explore all legal remedies and take appropriate steps to pursue the scheme of arrangement. Now, just to take a look at what exactly happened in the Delhi High Court. Now, Delhi High Court's judgment, of course, came on the basis of a petition by Amazon putting in an objection to the deal between Reliance Retail and Future Retail. Remember, there was also a single judge bench order that had come in December 2020 from the Delhi High Court, which had deemed the deal valid, after which Amazon moved this divisional bench of Delhi High Court, which has now put this deal on hold. So it is clearly a setback for Future Group, for Future Retail as well as Reliance Retail. And what exactly happened in the court is that Delhi High Court said that the emergency arbitrator's order that was passed on 25th of October 2020, this is referring to the order that was passed by the Singapore International Arbitration Center. They are saying that it is enforceable under the Arbitration Act. In other words, what had happened in December 2020, the single judge bench had said that the deal is valid regardless of what has been said by the Singapore International Arbitration Center. Now, what Delhi High Court has said today is that Future Group will place all steps taken on record after the emergency arbitral order on October 25, and all authorities will maintain status quo on all matters of violation of arbitrator's order. So in response to this, what Future Group has additionally said is that the learned single judge bench of Delhi High Court today, in a petition filed by Amazon for enforcement of the interim award of the emergency arbitrator, has ordered status quo with respect to the scheme of arrangement. The company is legally advised that the basis of the interim award of the emergency arbitrator has been superseded by the judgment dated 21st December passed by the single judge bench of Delhi High Court. So that is what Future Retail is saying. They have additionally said that Future Retail, after getting approval from CCI, SEBI, as well as the stock exchanges on the deal, went ahead and filed the scheme of arrangement, the deal in front of NCLT Mumbai. NCLT Mumbai is yet to take up the case, but this was filed in front of NCLT Mumbai on 26th of January 2021. So this is what Future Retail has said. And to take a look at what were the arguments by Amazon in the court, they had said that they had invested 1,431 crores at Future Group to be the sole vehicle of the retail business. They had said that Future Group had agreed to not alienate retail assets without our consent, and they have gone ahead and struck this deal with the Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani Group. And also, as part of their deal which was struck between Amazon and Future Group, Future Retail was not allowed to deal with a restricted person, a list of restricted people, which included Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani Group, and they have now gone ahead and done the deal. Which is why they're saying that how can Future Retail say that the arbitral order is a nullity without consenting it? So, well, this war of words has been going on inside and outside of the court. This might go on further, might be dragged to the Supreme Court as well. But we will have to see what really happens to the deal. But for now, the deal has been put on hold by the Delhi High Court. And Future Retail has said that they will continue to explore all legal remedies to pursue this deal.